If someone asked you right now what AI actually is, could you explain it without using the words robot or computer brain? Most people can't because nobody's ever actually sat down and explained it simply. That's what we're doing today. Hey, I'm the Universal 1. This channel is for people who feel like everyone else got the AI memo and they didn't. No jargon, no assuming you already know things. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI actually is, how it learns, the different types you're already using without realizing it, and how to start using it yourself today. Let's get into it. First, let's kill the Hollywood version. AI is not a robot with a personality. It's not secretly thinking or feeling anything. Here's the real definition in plain English. AI is a computer program that finds patterns in huge amounts of information and uses those patterns to make a prediction or generate a response. That's the whole thing. When you ask a tool like ChatGPT or a question, it's not thinking about the answer the way you or I would. It's predicting, word by word, what the most likely, most helpful next word is based on patterns it's picked up from an enormous amount of text. It's less thinking machine and more the world's best guesser. How does it get so good at guessing? Through something called training. Imagine an apprentice who spends years reading millions of books, articles, and conversations, way more than any human could read in 100 lifetimes. That apprentice starts noticing patterns, how sentences are usually structured, how questions are usually answered, what tends to follow what. That's basically what happens when an AI model is trained. It's shown massive amounts of data and it adjusts itself internally until it gets really good at predicting what comes next. It's not memorizing facts like a filing cabinet. It's learning patterns the same way you get a feel for a language by hearing it spoken 1,000 times rather than memorizing a dictionary. Here's something most people don't realize. You've been using AI for years without calling it that. There are a few flavors. Generative AI, that's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. It creates new text, images, or answers based on what you ask. Recommendation AI, that's Netflix suggesting your next show. Spotify building your Discover Weekly. Amazon showing you things you might like. Same pattern prediction idea, just applied to guessing what you'll enjoy next. An automation AI, the stuff running quietly in the background, spam filters, your phone's autocorrect, fraud detection on your credit card. You've been surrounded by this for over a decade. What's new isn't AI itself, it's that you can now talk to it directly. Now that you know what it is, stick around because in a second I'm going to show you exactly how to start using it today, even if you never opened one of these tools before. Quick myth busting round because this is where most people get confused. Myth 1. AI is consciousness or alive. It's not. There's no someone in there. It's software predicting patterns. Myth 2. AI knows everything and is always right. Wrong. False. It could be confidently wrong. Always double check anything important. Myth 3. AI is coming to take every job tomorrow. The honest current reality is that it's changing how people work, automating repetitive tasks far more than it's replacing entire jobs outright, at least so far. So how do you actually start? If you're just curious and non-technical, don't overthink it. Pick one tool, ChatGPT, Claude, or even Gemini. All work, and just have a conversation with it like you would a very well-read assistant. Ask it to help you write an email, plan a weekend, or explain something you're confused about. That's it. You don't need to learn to code. You don't need a certification. You just need to start talking to it. That's what AI actually is. No jargon, no hype. If this helped, subscribe because every video on this channel builds on this one. Next up, I'm going to show you exactly how to write your first prompt so you get useful answers instead of generic ones. See you there. Thanks for joining, y'all. Thanks for hitting that button to watch the video, and thanks for spending time with me. This is Universal 1, and I am out.